In this video, I'll guide you on how to easily enable roaming on any iPhone. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's dive in. First, open the Settings app, then tap on the mobile service, which may also appear as mobile data or cellular on some devices. If you have multiple SIM cards installed, you will need to select the one you want to adjust from the list. Once you have chosen your SIM, you will be directed to a page where you need to make sure that cellular data is enabled. From there, look for the option labeled Data Roaming. By toggling this option on or off, you can easily activate or deactivate roaming for that line. And that is all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.